Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
And today we're going to see which one of us got the better Ipsy original bag. I think it's me.
It could be her.
It could be me. It could be her.
I like winning.
I won according to the votes in my own personal poll, I won last time.
I think she did.
So let's see. And I also have some add-ons. So hang out to the end of the video and you can see the add-ons that we got for. I think they were all 350 add-ons. If not, I'll tell you.
And I got some add-ons too.
The bag this month, you guys. How pretty.
Isn't it beautiful?
You could use this for a clutch for a fancy event.
Oh,
it's that pretty.
Oh,
isn't that beautiful? And it's satiny and soft and very pretty. And it has a black zipper with the Ipsy pull. And I wonder if the inside.
Something on this side.
The inside's also. It does?
What does it say? Marilyn, I think, because it was
Marilyn.
It
says, oh yeah, this is a Marilyn Monroe 100th birthday edit.
It has Marilyn on here.
This might even be a collector's item now.
Yes.
So it says MM100 on the tag, and it says, I think that says limited edition.
Yeah.
So there you go. I think that's what that says. I can't honestly read it, but that's there. So these are so cute. Okay, so we're going to find our little cards, and we're going to go down from top to bottom and
I already know what I picked.
Picks. Yes. When we get to the ones we picked, we'll tell you that this was our pick. So my first item, I get to go first. My first item is not my pick, but this is a Misho Beauty Transfer Proof Lip Liner in Most Wanted. And it's a very neutral. So, was that your first item? Okay, so our first picks are a tie.
So yeah.
We didn't pick these, but our first items are a tie.
Yeah.
And they're both sealed, and we both have lip liners that color, so I'm going to leave these sealed and probably rehome them. But they are nice. And these have a retail value of $18.
Ooh.
Okay, so I'll let Krista go with her next item.
So this is my pick, the Bang mascara.
Bad Gal Bang mascara.
From...
I don't honestly remember. Is this
Benefit?
Benefit. Yeah, we've had that one before, but I forgot.
Cosmetics, and I was like a good travel size mascara to have, so I was like, mine.
This was actually my pick, so both of our second items are our pick. And this is a Beauty for Certain stick blush, and this is also a full size, and this is a $25 value. And that is the shade. It's really pretty. It's sealed. I think this is the shade. I don't want to open it because I just got a bunch of stick blushes.
You did.
And I don't want to open it yet because I've been trying to keep my current use inventory down, so this will probably go in the wait to use it till later pile. But it is a super pretty shade. That is the shade. If it's not in focus. Nope, it's not going to be in focus. But that is the shade. So it's a really pretty pink color, and this was my pick, $25 value. So our first items paid for these bags. These bags are like $17 once you pay the taxes. And there's no shipping, but once you pay the taxes, and there's a handling fee, it's like $17, $18. So this paid for the bag. Everything else is gravy, including the actual bag.
Which is pretty.
All right. You want to do your next one?
Sure. So this is a cleansing milk, and it looks like it's from a company called Akar. So it's a little tiny trial size face cleanser. Does it say what the retail is? I didn't bring my glasses.
Krista doesn't. She doesn't wear. She needs readers, and she didn't bring them. So the full size of this would be 150 mils for $75, and she got a half an ounce, 15 mil size. So that's a decent value sample for.
And for a company I've not heard of, so
it could be amazing.
Yeah, never know.
My next one I have heard of. I just never have used it. I've actually gotten products from this company before. Skin & Co. Roma, and this is Truffle Therapy Amino Peptide Complex Face Cream. How did they fit all those words on that tiny little? The full size of this would be, I think this says 30 mil, so 1 ounce at, I believe that says $80. I have my glasses on and it's not helping either. And this size is
tiny.
I will have to put in the corner once I get
it's tiny.
I'm not sure how big that is. It might say 10 mil on the back is what I think it says. Yeah. So that's a third of the full size. You got the same thing.
Oh, we both got the same thing.
So we got two of those. So two of these makes almost a full size. All right, next thing, what'd you get?
I got these hydrated under eye mask from Levitate. And I actually added one as a bonus to my bags because we needed some eye masks.
So she got is this an add-on then?
So
a
I got the
350
add-on.
That's the nice thing about the Ipsy bags and even the boxes. If there is something that's a pick that you're not sure which thing you want to get, a lot of times all of the items are going to be in add-ons and you can add on what you wish you could have picked.
Yeah.
My fourth item is actually sealed in the bubble wrap. It's sealed. It's not stuck in. This is going to be, let me just open it. I'm just going to open it.
Maybe she'll open it. I need to do some arm exercises.
Apparently my arms are noodles. Okay. We have a
and it's
sealed on the. All right, you guys. This one's going to be a challenge. I'm just going to leave it sealed and show you a picture because I'm tired of opening it. This is a Bisha Baby Eyeshadow Duo, and this retails for $20. This is 2 pink shades. So we have a baby. Let me put it up close. Can you see that? I don't know if that's in focus or not.
Upside down.
I know it's upside down, but that's how I'm having to hold it. It's going to be a baby pink and another baby pink. So really pretty spring colors, but I'm going to leave it sealed, $20. So we've got a ton of value in this, and I still have one item left. Do you? Was that your last item?
Yeah.
I also got a duplicate of Krista, another one. We both got the mascara. So my box, we had, okay, the first category is a tie. The last quarter, she got hers out of order. Her last category was also the mascara, our last thing, so that's also a tie.
I got
our picks were, what was your pick?
Oh, wait.
That was not your pick. You did not pick the mascara. Did you? What'd you pick?
I bet I picked this.
Okay, so she probably picked the eye mask.
That's right,
this. So
that's why I bought
picks,
extra. It's been a long
honestly, for both being in our 50s and needing a little help under our eyes, and I have a ton of blushes, I'm going to give Krista the win on this one because I'm going to probably use this other bag or box of eye patches and probably not use that.
Yeah.
Our third category, tie.
Yep.
Our fourth, I say category, but our fourth items were these two things. Value-wise, they're pretty equal. Use-wise, I think we're also about equal because I like these shades. I use these kind of shades. So that one might be a tie. You guys are going to have to break the tie with your votes. So we had two sections that were the same. Who picked the better item and who got the better bag overall.
And what's your add-on?
And I have add-ons. Okay, so I got add-ons, and I honestly forgot what I ordered.
This was I added on just because I knew I went through our stuff and we didn't have any eye masks.
Okay, now I remember. I got 2 more of these for $3.50 each. I think they were, these were $3.50 each. I got this as an item in my last month's bag, and they had them as add-ons this month. And I'm actually squirted it on myself today without even thinking.
It smells nice.
I'm using it's really nice. So I got 2 more of the Sol de Janeiro, is what these are, and I got 2 of them.
And they're so nice and summery.
And we also got 3 of these Avant, and these are the anti-aging eye lifters or something. So Avant is a very expensive brand that you can only either order from Avant or from beauty companies like Ipsy or FabFitFun or whoever sells them on their subscription site. But they're not just fluff for the price. They really are great products. I have loved the ones that I've gotten, and when I saw these for the $3.50 add-on, I grabbed 3 of them. That's how much I love them. So those were my add-ons. Yay. So thank you guys for joining us for this month's Ipsy Original Box Bag. Original Bag. I also got a mystery bag that I will show you in my next video. Well, maybe not the next video, but I'll make a video for it and show you guys. We got a mystery bag from Ipsy, and I haven't done a mystery bag. No, we did. We did one a couple months ago, that Wowie.
Oh, that's right.
Something bag, and it was actually pretty decent. So this is another one. We'll see how it goes. But thank you guys so much for joining us. If you did like this video, hit like, hit subscribe, leave us comments, do all the things. We appreciate it so much. We appreciate you guys' comments. I really do appreciate it.
She shares them with me.
I do. Thank you guys again. We hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Bye.